जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 20th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, if you qualify all your actions with jnanam, then even if you do perform all your duties, karmas with so much of interest in it, those karmas would not cause any bondage to you." Qualifying means 3 things you have to follow while performing your duties. First thing is, do not expect results, fruits of your actions. Do not be attached to the fruit of your action. That is number 1. And the second thing is, while performing your duties, you have to be feeling very content within yourself. That means you have to be thinking about Atma, you have to be enjoying Atma, you have to have Atma Dhyanam continuously. While having that continuous Atma Dhyanam, keep performing your duties. This is second thing. And third one, though you are in this mundane world, do not get attached with the mundane things, worldly things, with your mind. That means do not have any mindful attachments with mundane things. If you follow these 3 things while performing your duties, that means your duties, your actions, your karmas are being qualified with jnanam. Then none of your karmas would cause any bondage to you. That is how Sri Krishna Paramatma teaching all of us to qualify our actions with jnanam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Tyaktva karma phala sangam nityatrupto nirashrayah karmanyabhi प्रवृत्तोऽसि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing your duties thinking that it is my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. Keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam, Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing the glory of Srimannarayana to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Narayane Bhagavati Tadidam Visvamahitam. Srimannarayana is not attached with Sattva Rajastamo Gunas. Srimannarayana is free from all these gunas. And in the beginning of Srishti Karyam, I was appointed by Srimannarayana and I got into this Prakriti attachment, and ever since that I have started taking care of this Srishti Karyam. O Narada, Haro Harati Tadvasaha. Under Srimannarayana's presidency, Rudra, Shiva is taking care of Layakaryam, and Sakshat Srimannarayana himself, Visvam Purusharupena Paripati, he is taking care of Rakshana-karyam. And Narayana also has 3 Shakti Dhruk, these 3 powers, Srishti, Sthiti, Layam. But being Antaryami, he is making me do Srishti Karyam, and being Antaryami, he is making Rudra do Samhara Karyam. For Narada, Sakshat Srimannarayana himself taking care of Rakshana Karyam. Itite abhihitam. Narada, I told you everything that you asked about. Nanyat bhagavataha kinchit bhavyam sat asat atmakam. You thought I am the supreme. That is why you asked these questions. No, I am not supreme. This entire Srishti is Paramatma's property. And it is not different from Paramatma. This entire Srishti itself is Paramatma, and this entire Srishti is existing, sustaining only because of Srimannarayana. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma giving the description of glory and power of Srimannarayana to Narada Maharshi. The same thing is communicated by Sri Sukha Yogindra to Parikshin Narendra The same thing is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He Martyaha Paramam Hitam Srunutavo Vakshyami Sankshepataha Samsararnavamapadurmi Bahulam Samyak Pravisya Sthitaha Nanajnanamapasya Chetasi Namo Narayanayethyamum Mantram Sapranavam Pranamasahitam Pravartayadvam Muhuhu. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 4th chapter 20th sloka. Tyaktva karma phalasangam nityatrupto nirashrayah karmanyabhi pravruttosि naiva kinchit karoti saha. Tyaktva karma phalasangam nityatrupto nirashrayah karmanyabhipravruttosि naiva kinchit karoti saha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.